Hi and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I will show you how you can make your own dehydrated hot peppers. This is going to be helpful if you want to extend the shelf life of your peppers or even vegetables. If you do not have a food dehydrator, you can simply use your oven. Once your peppers are dehydrated, you can then decide on what you want to do with them. The number one reason why you should dehydrate and create your own spices is because it tastes so much better than any store-bought spice. Once a spice is ground and exposed to the open environment, the chemical compounds break down over time, resulting in a paler color and a duller flavor profile. Capsicum annum, or chili peppers as is commonly referred to, belong to the Solanaceae family. The capsicum annum plants are characterized by high levels of antioxidants such as vitamin C and phenolic acids. The pungent and spicy reaction that occurs when you bite into a hot pepper is an alkaloid component called capsaicinoids. Peppers are widely distributed and have a high culinary value, making it the second most consumed vegetable worldwide. Depending on your preferences and your ambitions as a cook, here are some things that you can do. You can make your own chili flakes for a hot chili oil that goes well on any type of Asian cuisine. Or you can grind the peppers into a fine powder that will add a nice heat and flavor profile to any dish. Chili powder is versatile and will spice up any dish. Since fall weather is here, I like to add some chili powder to soup. Depending on the type of pepper you are dealing with, make sure to protect your hands using rubber gloves. You might also need glasses to cover your eyes. When you cut into the flesh, the capsaicin oil will coat your knife and your cutting board. I would recommend to open windows while you are preparing the peppers, otherwise you might inhale the contents, causing you to sneeze and cough, as it can be quite pungent. If you want less heat, just remove the rib, which is the pink flesh that holds the seeds. This part contains most of the capsaicin. Once everything is cut up, add the peppers to a baking sheet, skin down. Turn on your oven to the lowest heat possible. The lowest setting on my oven was 170 degrees Fahrenheit or 76 degrees Celsius. This is higher than I need, but you can counter the heat by leaving the door slightly open to allow some of the heat and the moisture to escape. The important thing to realize is that you are not trying to cook the pepper, but to remove all the moisture, so it can be stored safely. Depending on the type of pepper, the size and the overall weight, the dehydration process can take as little as 3 hours and up to 24 hours. My peppers were in the oven for around 6 hours. You can tell that they are drying once wrinkles appear. Once they are completely dry, they are ready to be stored as is. I encourage you to try this at home and experience what fresh spices should taste like. Thank you for watching.